Alright, welcome back to the channel. 2000 Chevy Tracker, doing a angle sensor. A lot of people would call it a position sensor. Goes right back here. I have a little bit of oil on the motor because of this dipstick, but we're not going to talk about that right now. I'm going to get that fixed later. It takes a 10 mil right about there. There it is. This is responsible for timing, and when the motor gets hot, it will stop working correctly, and then it won't start again. So there's the old one. Has a little bit of oil on the outside. Okay, so here we are back. I got this part in the mail. This is the correct part. This is the camshaft sensor. This here is the crankshaft sensor. This is the wrong part. So if you see one that's short, stubby like this, it's going to be incorrect. This is more of a long sensor portion. And before I do that, I actually bought the dipstick as well. Brand new dipstick. I know you're thinking, would you call me? But no, it's just a new part for the truck. So that should really cut down on the oil buildup here. I don't know if anybody else has that problem or if that's just my tracker, but putting the part on is very easy. I think the hardest part is getting it out of the package, putting this screw in. You can see the hole. It's right here. First thing I could do is drop something. So I got the threads to start. Back to the 10 mil. It's kind of long with this extension. The medium extension would be nice. This here is about 8-inch extension. It seems like it's a little bit much. If you had like a 4 or 5-inch extension, that would help with a deep well socket. And then the last, of course, put this clip back on. Clips more toward the front of the motor. There we go. And that's it. So I've been driving the car for a couple days now, and it's been very, very hot, and I haven't had any overheating problems. I used to go to like Home Depot or something like that, and it would be hard to start even after shopping for like 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes I would have to open the hood for 10 minutes or so, and then it would go ahead and start. So the problem definitely was the camshaft sensor. I'm glad to have it replaced. I thought about doing it for about 50 times more than the time it took to actually do the job. It's a super quick and easy fix. If you'd like to support the channel, go ahead and shop in my eBay store, GB Hatchery. Also, my affiliate, Seller Warehouse. I'll leave a link to both of them in the description. Thanks for watching the video, and you'll see me in the next one.